You got bubbles?
That was a good one, Keister. Keister, you have got soap everywhere. Oh! Woo-hoo! You are a big help, Keith.
Granddaddy's helper.
Granddaddy is training Paul's replacement.
Yes, indeed.
That's heavy.
Well, we can just leave it right there, see? You want some more bubbles? Yeah. What'd you do with my bubbles?
I don't know.
You don't know. You splashed them out. There we go. Woo!
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Uh-oh.